times we had, sharing the joy that we thought would last.
What's up, goodie? Welcome back to my kitchen. Me I go whip up this chicken and shrimp, oven baked chicken and shrimp recipe in a my Jamaican kitchen, fast, easy and simple. Come on with me now.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Alright, make we get into the chicken first. First and foremost, I have 6 legs and thighs right there, so I rather to use legs and thighs for this recipe. You can use any part of the chicken where you want to use, but yeah, the first thing you want to do is make sure your chicken wash nice and clean. I have my chicken sit and soak with salt and lemon juice. I also drop a little bit of vinegar into the water and I let it sit for about 30 minutes. I wash it off 2 times and my chicken ready. What I also did was made cuts into the chicken, as you can see right there. So I have 3 slices that is cut right into the chicken because I want all my spices go right through and through that chicken when time I cook it. Make sure you have skins on for this recipe because the skin is gonna trap in all the flavor we need to make a mean oven baked chicken recipe. Alright, so I'm going to cover everything as far as your chicken go. Now let's talk about other things that you're going to need for this recipe. Ah man, it's gonna be nice, easy, fast and simple. Now I'm going to talk about all the other things that you're going to need to make this recipe fast, easy and turn up loud in your kitchen. Now I'm going to get into my shrimp. That is cooked shrimp, right? It comes like that in the bag. So it's already deveined and ready for cooking. You can also get the fresh shrimp from the fish market. It's going to be just as good. Same technique, nothing different. You're going to need some fresh parsley too. If you don't have fresh parsley, use dried parsley. Same turn up you're going to get. You're going to need some butter for this recipe as well. Now for your spices, because you want your chicken to turn up mad loud enough. Make me say loud, like crazy loud. So, I'm going to add my kieth lorren curry powder. If you don't have kieth lorren curry powder, that's alright. Use whatever kind of curry powder that you like and that you can reach. You're also going to need some cayenne pepper, all-purpose season and chicken season right there. So, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt and black pepper. All your measurements are going to be listed down below. So come on, let's get this thing turned up loud. Now, I'm going to move on to the very first step. To make the meanest oven baked chicken and shrimp in your kitchen. One that you can ever have. In your Jamaican kitchen, yeah? Now, my chicken is already prepped nice and clean. However, you're going to need a clean paper towel. And you want to make sure you just go ahead and pat dry that chicken, because you don't want to get this thing started with any kind of water on this thing. You want to make sure it's nice and dry. And then you set it aside. Now I'm moving on to my next step. In that container, I'm going to add my curry powder and my cayenne pepper, salt and black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose season and chicken seasoning, and make a mix all of this together. Now you want to go back and get your chicken, and I'm going to add my spices on there and just kind of tap it in a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my butter to it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my foil paper and I'm going to cover this. You're going to let this sit for about half an hour. During the half an hour, you want to turn on your oven. Your oven should be preheated when you put this chicken in. All I need is 30 minutes to marinate this chicken. I'm not marinate this chicken overnight and all them something there. I'm ready for eat. Now, you're going to make sure you put it in a preheated oven. And your oven should be turned on 375 degrees. It's going to take a total of 45 minutes to 1 hour to bake this chicken. Alright? So we'll come back get this chicken in the oven and we'll be ready for baking. So I'll see you back in a few. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes since I've had my chicken in the oven, and that is what your chicken is going to look like. Within 30 minutes, it should look exactly like that. Now, all that good juicy stuff that you have in the bottom of your chicken is the natural juices from your chicken and butter. So you just want to go ahead and kind of play around with the top of your chicken like that. I'm going to take that liquid out and I'm going to use it to finish off this chicken. Kitchen smells so good already. So all I'm doing here is getting that juice out and put it in here. To that, I'm going to add the shrimp in. And I'm going to add the parsley. Give this a nice little mix. And all I'm doing here is adding it to my chicken. Now, the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go ahead and put it back into the oven. And I'm going to finish it off with 25 minutes. This should be done. I'm going to leave it uncovered so it could get that nice, crispy finishing touch on top. So within 25 minutes, I'll be right back here and this should be done. There you have it, guys. Our chicken is all done. Oven baked chicken and shrimp. Yum, 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 yum.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
There you have it, another great recipe. Oven baked chicken and shrimp in my Jamaican kitchen. Thumbs up, like and share. Let me know you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!
Shadow turns to sun rays.
I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.